Good morning, everybody. It's day 13, and I'm up, I'm moving, and I'm committed to getting better today. This morning, I read a verse that really spoke to me. It was Proverbs 16:3, and it said, "Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans." And that hit me because right now, I'm rebuilding, I'm building discipline, I'm building consistency, and I'm building my future. And I may not have everything figured out, but I'm committing my work, my effort, and my journey. Because every day I show up, I'm getting closer to financial freedom, closer to my clothing brand, closer to my goals, closer to becoming the first millionaire in my family. This is day 13 of rebuilding my life. And today, I'm committing my plans. Because I know if I keep showing up, if I keep working, if I keep believing, my plans will be established. Let's get to work.